Yo, this DJ battery in here with another crib light, the last of the big crib light review. This is a rainforest crib one. It takes battery, 4 of them, big batteries. But lights up here. And then you get this one. And this one. Get the lights at the bottom, the movement here. I think this is supposed to go up like this. Like it's an actual waterfall right there. You got the speaker. Your battery compartment takes 4 batteries. Crib straps. And my kids love these things, so I have way too many. Subscribe and have a nice day.